am Kento and I'm gonna eat these gummies. But first, I'm gonna show you what they are. First one is the gummy eye. And second one, I got this. And I got the letter O. And the last one, I got a gummy worm. And now first, to eat the gummy. First one, the gummy eyes. I'm gonna eat the red one.
Is it yummy?
Yes.
Wow.
What? Because
So hard.
yes.
How about try this one?
What is that?
It's good.
Yes. And I'm gonna try the letter O. And last, I'm gonna eat this gummy worm. Good. Bye. That's all for now.